Today we are going to take a look at, I don't know how to spell it, it's SMALLRT or SMALLRT. This is like surge protector, and it has a multiple power strip. It's a power strip tower. The model is PD 20 watts and multifunctional power strip ZYC06. Right? So it's kind of interesting to see power, because usually all the power extension boxes are kind of difficult to use, and then you cannot plug multiple things at a time, etc. So this one is interesting to see that, right? And it has a total of 12 outputs, I guess. Total of 12 outputs, and it has a 3 USB-A ports and 1 USB-C port also, right? 4, and the remaining are all the power outlets. 12 outlets, 3 USB and 1 USB-C. Security protection. So let's kind of open this block and and then see how it looks like. Okay, the box wise it's kind of very simple. Okay, and open the packing. It's pretty kind of straightforward. This is what it is. So I ordered something with a 15 feet cable so that you can get a power from long. But it's available in multiple other options of the length, the cord length. So you can choose that. So this is how it looks like. Small RT or RIT 3 6. So it has 12 power outlets, and in addition to that it has 3 USB-A and 1 USB-C, okay? And then you can connect, and it also has a power switch with it. It's really helpful to control instead of having something disconnect and then disconnect. So what it is, it's SMALLRT ZYC06 multifunctional power strip.